Did you know a 15-year-old French princess became medieval England's most feared war leader? Margaret of Anjou arrived in England as a young bride to King Henry VI, but when her husband suffered a complete mental breakdown, this teenager transformed into something that terrified even hardened medieval warriors. While pregnant with the future king, Margaret personally led armies into battle during the Wars of the Roses. She didn't just fight, she ordered brutal executions that shocked chroniclers of the time. After the Battle of Wakefield, she had Richard Duke of York's head cut off and mockingly crowned it with a paper crown. At the Second Battle of St. Albans, she commanded mass executions of captured nobles. Medieval writers called her a great and strong labored woman, their way of saying she was unnaturally violent for anyone, let alone a queen. This French royal became so ruthless that English chroniclers struggled to find words for her cruelty. Margaret proved that sometimes the most dangerous person in the room is the one nobody expects to fight back.